In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send chat message to yourself in Zoom. This is a simple way to capture notes, links, reminders, and files right inside Zoom, so everything you need stays with you whether you're in a meeting or working between calls. Once you're in Zoom, look for the Team Chat area. This is Zoom's built-in messaging space, and it's where your one-on-one chats, channels, and personal notes live. Click Team Chat to open the chat view and the left sidebar with your conversations. Next, click Start in the sidebar. This section highlights your pinned or special conversations, and it also includes your private area for self-messaging. Inside Start, you'll see an entry that indicates it's your personal space. Think of this like a direct message with yourself. It's visible only to you, it syncs across your devices, and it's perfect for quick ideas you don't want to lose in another app. Open that personal space and start using it like any other chat. Type a message to yourself and press Enter to save it. This is great for meeting prep, action items, or even a quick checklist you want on hand during a call. Because it's just a chat, everything is time-stamped and easy to scan later. You can also store important files here. Use the Attach or Paperclip button, or simply drag and drop a document, image, or screenshot into the message field. Zoom will upload it to the thread so you can find it later without digging through folders. If you prefer keeping everything tidy, add a short note describing the file so search can pick it up later. Links and reference material work well here too. Paste a URL, add a brief summary of why it matters, and send it to yourself. When you come back, you'll know exactly why you saved it. You can format messages for clarity, add line breaks for lists, and use quick edits if you need to refine a note after sending. If you rely on certain items, keep them together in this space so it becomes your personal command center. During a meeting, flip to Team Chat, open Start, and your notes are right there. You can react to messages, forward items to teammates later, or copy content out when it's time to share. That's all there is to it. Open Team Chat, go to Start, use your personal space, and start saving messages, files, and anything else you want to keep within easy reach. It's fast, private, and always where you need it.